This is a happy birthday puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. The goal of the puzzle is to reach your own age by adding the empty fields. This puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantine, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany, and difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. If you like the happy birthday puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. This puzzle has only 4 quite simple parts, and you have to put them inside the frame in such a way that you will leave only 2 fields empty that will indicate your age. Like I'm 41, so I have to find a way how to put parts inside in such a way that only 4 and 1 will be visible. But as you can see right now, it doesn't look possible. So I have to rearrange the parts. Let's see how to do that. And probably I will be able to find the solution. So here is 41, and that's how I solved the puzzle. And you can play this puzzle again and again, since you can make any age starting from 1 to 99. If you like the happy birthday puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles from Jean-Claude Constantine, go to puzzlemaster.ca.